Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I want to talk to you guys about the accessories that should go with the non-stick cookware. Now generally when you go to the market and you buy non-stick cookware, you generally get a wooden spatula with it, which according to me is very unhygienic because it's made out of wood and the wood tends to chip and mix with your food that you serve to yourself and your family. And the thing with wood is it's very porous, so when you wash it with water or soap, that soap tends to deposit on the wood inside the pores. To solve this problem, Meyer has introduced a set of accessories that come with a spoonula and a spatula. These two accessories are made from FDA approved silicone, which makes it super safe, and since there is no adhesive holding the silicone head to the handle, you can absolutely be sure about the hygiene factor of these accessories. Since these accessories are alkali and acid resistant, they are ideal to use on any kind of cookware surface including non-stick. They are made from incombustible rubber wood, which makes it super safe and you don't have to worry about the wood chipping off or burning. Both of these accessories are heat resistant up to 230 degrees Celsius.